just letting the edge
Let her flow.
do the work. What?
Can you use like a paint remover and get it out?
Well, I was going to say, that's the other way that you can do this, is, and I have some spray-on paint remover.
Yeah, probably
shoot that and then
better.
just scrape it off, and then it's clean.
And any rust will come off with the other stuff that we're on, right?
Right. And well, the thing is, you know, so the hood doesn't look half bad.
No, it's not bad at all.
You know, so yeah, we got to get this out.
Almost through the metal.
But
There's one over
that
there
side,
that's
there's a
through
hole.
the metal. This one
Yeah,
over
we're
here,
done with this
right
one.
there. That's an actual hole. These are almost.
Oh, so you don't keep sending them there.
I think that actually, there's a pinhole right there.
Yeah, that's a hole there. There it is.
Dang, I knew I should have my nails done.
We could have chipped it.